Rimadesio produces beautiful systems to create architectural definition. Rimadesio produces doors, sliding panels, shelving units, walk-in wardrobes, and a collection of complementary furniture. From walk-in closets to door-closing systems, and from chests of drawers to beauty corners, the solutions in the Rimadesio collection are united by a high level of attention to detail, meticulous designs, and infinite personalization possibilities thanks to the wide range of exclusive materials and finishes. Linear and functional designs, where the simplicity of a concept is elaborated through an exceptional level of technical competence. Rimadesio's aim is to continue to develop its own design culture and productive technology in order to be able to offer functionally innovative ideas. You have to see this in person. We would love to come show you. Come visit us at Cantoni Trade.